Let us look at the seventh problem. The main question is find the mean and variance for the following frequency distributions in exercises 7 and 8. The seventh problem is you are given classes and frequencies. Okay, you have to find the mean and variance of this data. So let us start by solving the problem. So classes, so we have to make a table, and the table will consist of the following entries: classes, then frequencies, which are denoted as Fi, then midpoints, okay, which are denoted as Xi, then we have Yi. So we are using the shortcut method, the step deviation method. Yi is equal to Xi minus the assumed mean A divided by the common factor H. Then we have Yi square, then Fi Yi and Fi Yi square. Okay, so let us fill the classes column. So that is 0 to 30 up to 180 to 210. So 0 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 90, 90 to 120, 120 to 150, 150 to 180, 180 to 210, and the frequencies are 2, 3, 5, 10, 2, 3, 5, 10, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2. Now the midpoints, so the midpoints of the class interval 0 to 30 is 15, midpoint of class interval 30 to 60 is 45, midpoint of 60 to 90 is 75, then we will get 105 here, then 135, 175 and 195. Okay, now Yi, to find Yi we have to find the assumed mean and the common factor H. So assumed mean is just the middle value of the data of observation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 entries are there. So the fourth entry will be our assumed mean. Okay, A is equal to 105 and H is the common factor, that is 30, right? We have to do 30 minus 0 or 60 minus 30, we will get 30. So A is equal to 105 and H is equal to 30. Okay, now 15 minus A divided by H. So 15 minus 105 divided by H, so that will be minus 90 divided by 30, which is minus 3, then 45 minus 105 divided by 30, so that will be minus 60 divided by 30, that is minus 2, then 75 minus 105 divided by 30, so that will be minus 30 divided by 30, that is minus 1, 105 minus 105 divided by 30 is 0, 135 minus 105 divided by 30 will be 30 by 30, which is 1, 175 divided minus 105 divided by 30, so 60 divided by 30, that is 2, 195 minus 105 divided by 30 will be 90 divided by 30, which is 3. Now yi square, so minus 3 square is 9, minus 2 square is 4, minus 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. Okay, now fi yi, so 2 times minus 3 which is minus 6, 3 times minus 2 which is minus 6, 5 times minus 1 which is minus 5, 10 times 0 which is 0, 3 times 1 which is 3, 5 times 2 that is 10, 2 times 3 which is 6. Okay, now fi yi square, so 2 times 9 is 18, 3 times 4 is 12, 5 times 1 is 5, 10 times 0 is 0, 3 times 1 is 3, then 5 times 4 is 20, 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, now we will find the sum of frequencies first. So that will be nothing but capital N, that is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 0 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, 2 plus 1 is 30. So N is 30. Then we have to find the sum of fi yi. 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 plus 6 is 19, and minus 6 is minus 12, minus 12 minus 5 is minus 17. So the sum is 2. Okay, then this sum you have to find. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18, 18 plus 8 is 26. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, so 76. Now we can find the mean and variance. So mean, that is x bar, is equal to assumed mean plus summation I going from 1 to how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 fi yi divided by n into h. Okay, so this is equal to assumed mean is 105 plus fi yi summation is 2 divided by n is 30 and h is 30. So 105, this 30 and this 30 will get cancelled, plus 2 we will get, so that is nothing but 107. Okay, 107, this is the mean. Now we can find the variance. So variance, that is sigma square, is equal to h square divided by n square into n summation I going from 1 to 7 fi yi square minus summation I going from 1 to 7 fi yi the whole square, right? So now we have to substitute h and etc. So what we will get is equal to h is 30, so 30 square divided by n is also 30, so 30 square, right? Then n is 30 into summation of fi yi square is 76. Okay, minus summation fi yi is 2, so 2 square we will get, So this is equal to this 30 square gets cancelled, and we get what, 30 into 76 minus 4. So that is equal to, so let us find out 30 into 76. So 0, 3 8s are 18, 3 7s are 21, plus 1 is 22. So 2280 minus 4, so that means 2276 is the variance. Okay, so this much we had to find. Mean and variance we found out. Mean is 107, variance is 2276. Now let us go to the next problem. So 8th one. So we have to find the mean and variance of this data. Okay, so classes are given and frequency. So let us solve this. So first of all, we have to make the table, and the table will consist of the following entries: classes, then frequencies, okay, fi, then midpoints that are denoted as xi. Then again we will use the step deviation method, yi equal to xi minus a divided by h, then yi square, then fi yi, right, and fi yi square. Okay, so let us fill the classes column. So that will be 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Okay, so frequencies column we will fill 5, 8, 15, 16, 6, and midpoint of 0 to 10 will be 5, midpoint of 10 to 20 will be 15, midpoint of 20 to 25 will be 25, midpoint of 20 to 30 will be 25, midpoint of 30 to 40 will be 35, midpoint of 40 to 50 will be 45. Okay, then we have to take the assumed mean here. So a assumed mean will be the value which in the middle of the observation, so that is nothing but 25, right? So this is a assumed mean. So assumed mean is 25, h is the common factor, that is 10. So now we can find yi. So first yi will be 5 minus 25 by 10, so that is minus 20 by 10, which is minus 2. Then 15 minus 25 by 10, which is minus 10 by 10, which is minus 1. 25 minus 25 by 10, which is 0. Then 35 minus 25 by 10, which is 10 by 10, which is 1. Then 45 minus 25 by 10, which is 20 by 10, which is 2. Then yi square, so minus 2 square is 4, minus 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Now fi yi, 5 times 4 is 20, 8 times, 5 times minus 2 it is fi yi, 5 times minus 2 is minus 10, 8 times minus 1 is minus 8, 15 times 0 is 0, then 16 times 1 here is 16, 6 times 2 is 12. Now fi yi square, 5 times 4 is 20, then 8 times 1 is 8, then 15 times 0 is 0, 16 times 1 is 16, and 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, So now let us calculate the sum of the frequencies here. 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18, 18 plus 6 is 24, 24 plus 6 is 30, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So capital N is equal to 50. Now we will find the sum of this. 16 plus 12 is 18, 28, sorry, 16 plus 12 is 28, minus 10 minus 8 is minus 18, so that means the sum is 10. Okay, now 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, so 68, right? So now we can calculate the this mean. So mean x bar is equal to assumed mean plus summation I going from 1 to 5 fi yi divided by capital N into h. Okay, so assumed mean is what? 25 plus summation of fi yi is 10 divided by N is 50 into h is 10. So that means 25. So 10 1 are 10, 10 5 are 50, 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are 10, so plus 2, so which is equal to 27. Okay, so mean is 27. Now we can find the variance. So variance sigma square is equal to h square by n square into n times summation I going from 1 to 5 fi yi square minus summation I going from 1 to 5 fi yi the whole square. Okay, so that means what we will get is equal to h is 10, so 10 square divided by n is 50, so 50 square into n is 50 into summation of fi yi square, that is 68, minus summation of fi yi the whole square, so 10 square, right? So this is equal to 100 square is 100, 50 square is 2500 into, now let us find out 68 times 50, so 0, 5 8 are 40, 5 6 are 30 plus 4 is 34, so 3400 minus 100 square is 100, so this is equal to, now these two zeros will get cancelled, we will get 1 by 25 into 3400 minus 100 will be 3300. Okay, now let us divide 3300 by 25, so 3300 divided by 25, 25 1 are 25, right? 33 minus 25 is 8, then 0, 25 3s are 75, so 5 and 0 here, 25 2s are 50. Okay, so that means the answer is 132 here. So that's it in the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. I will see you in the next video.